Hi, I'm Marshall Cohen. I want to talk to you today about a question that I've received many times, and that is, how long does it take to naturalize? Well, you can get that information on the USCIS website. First thing you do is go to the website, uscis.gov. There you'll see a box that says Manage Your Case. Under that, there are three lines. The first line is Check Case Status. The second line is Check Processing Times. And the third line is Change Your Address Online. So you want to click the second line, which is Check Processing Times. You'll then be directed to a page that has two drop-down menus. The first drop-down menu is for the type of application. The second drop-down menu is for the filing location. You fill those two out, and then you'll see how long it will take from the time of filing until adjudication. Now, in Atlanta, naturalization from filing to the interview is taking 13 to 23 months based on the information on the CIS website. So now you know how to find out how long it takes from filing to adjudication for any type of application filed anywhere in the United States. If you have any question, please give us a call at Antonini & Cohen.